The expansive 145 square kilometers municipality of Benahavis Marbella boasts a stunning landscape of mountains, forests, and countryside. It's renowned for housing some of the world's most exclusive villas. Escape to your hidden paradise. Tucked away on a hillside with breathtaking panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, these stunning apartments in Benahavis offer a perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Each apartment with 2 or 3 bedrooms is designed for effortless indoor-outdoor living, with a modern, open-plan layout that's flooded with natural light. The spacious living area flows seamlessly onto a large terrace, allowing you to soak in the sun and uninterrupted sea views all day long. All homes include an underground parking space with pre-installation of a charging point for electric vehicles and a storage room. Nestled within lush gardens and centered around a generous pool area, this architectural treasure feels a world away from the everyday. Yet, you're only a short drive from golf courses, restaurants, and the vibrant Golden Mile. Prices start at €585,000. Don't forget to like and subscribe.